Today is March 4th and we're back for Pacie's birthday countdown. She's going to open one window today to join all of these ones that we've already opened. So cool.
Let me just tell you something. I don't even know how much I have, but there's only one gill and I only have one of this cat.
Alrighty. Alright, Pacie, ready to open?
One combo panda.
Yep.
Let's get unwrapping. Okay, which one did I? Oh, yeah. Can I have the scissors, please?
Try using your fingers right now. Poke hard. Got it?
Smashed it.
Awesome. Well, that's fine. That's what this is all about, right? Cool. Hold it up.
Okay, don't get his hat.
Show it to your Pacers. So cute.
Can I find it on?
Yes.
I think. Where is he? Right here. He's in Michigan. He's Michigan.
He's Michigan. Oh, yeah. You know why he's dressed up like a mechanic? Because Michigan is where the big three, all the big three U.S. cars are made. Isn't that cool? Alrighty.
Do you know what ones I'm really wishing for?
Well, I think you're going to get all of them. I'm not sure.
Let me just show you, okay?
Alright.
I want to get this one and that one and that.
Okay, we'll have to keep trying. Alrighty?
Oh, and here's one more though, somewhere.
Alrighty, Pace. It's time to go to bed.
Let's join the club, dude.
Alrighty.